Siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
Hola to our subscribers, hola to our viewers. Danke izinja ze-game, danke izinja ze-diski.
We have been defending for too long now. It's time to take the shots and score the goal. MI Legends Club.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Diski Supreme. Siringa ngediski, oh oh oh.
Hey, sharp kunjani coach?
Sharp Taffy.
Hayi ku-right bro wami. Hayi, ngiyayibona nje i-Sundowns impela ngathi ifikile, ngibona ngathi ithathile mina. Yazi the way kwenzakala ngakhona. Phela igame yakhona izolo ngihlalele iqala yazi yokuphela ngifuna ukuyibona kahle. Uthini wena coach?
Angazi boyihlalele uyibona ngaliphi ngoba wena uyikhosi. Awusibhakaniya ibe futhi sihlalele siminye ukuthi idliwe, but nevertheless ibhola manala Navarre effective. I always say ukuthi ibhola lifana nabo sister Navarre. Yeah, ibhola into. The one thing I want to tell you about football, washo lo muntu that the football will kill you.
Yeah.
So idlalile yona Sundowns, to be honest, iyadlala na i-captain yalabantu laba basebulukwane Messi penalty. Somehow you can think of a lot of things the way he missed the penalty. Because they scored that penalty, they come back to the game. But if the captain, the leader, goes and does what he did, that boy, it's very strong. Maybe he enveloped through ibanikiwe labantu ningaphazami nesifake igoli.
Awusheleli.
So, njengoba Mr. Taffy wena ore Sundowns seyinkile league. Ubone the outstanding tsa di-game tse setseng for Kaizer Chiefs. Because Kaizer Chiefs is setse ka Sundowns, right? After Sundowns itlodlala le Sekhukhune. Idlale le AmaZulu. Idlale le Chippa.
So
already Chippa AmaZulu yawumathisi.
Yeah.
Sekhukhune.
I know kule league ngiyafiwa.
Because why I'm saying this, there was this other fans that Chiefs there Pirates re tla bontsha e batla no re thuse hore re je Sundowns. Then what I said go no or no ona tse or le ja Sundowns or Sundowns leja le ikawate because le AmaZulu e batla unyuka. So already le AmaZulu e da e shebile right Chiefs ya ipaiza banyuka le bona.
Yeah, now i-Chiefs fanele iyazilwela hayi ukuthi izokilwelisa i-Pirates.
Yabo.
Iyazilwela ukuthi ihlale ku-number 3.
Because wabona Pirates ona di game tse setseng ka tsona re setse ka Stellenbosch, re setse ka Magesi, re setse ka Durban City, re setse ka Orbit. And you know Orbit ngare Orbit le Magesi ke team tse yang ko relegation le tsona. So wabona re le rona already we are not going to, it's not going to be easy. Or we want to in Sundowns. The Sundowns, ile game Chiefs. Swelele. Then ETS Galaxy. Then ETS Galaxy. It's
3.
Yeah.
Then I'm easy the game for the Sundowns. Ngeke wawine wonke.
Because AmaZulu one setse ka Golden Arrows, e setse ka Orbit, e setse ka Chiefs, isetse ka Durban City. So anything that you wanna add up, Mr. Mzerewa?
There's nothing to add. It's tough.
Yeah.
As Sinobra tough, you know. It's tough. Both teams, it's not an easy walk.
Yeah.
Steep hill. Mana ngabheka lawo maklabhu ongaseli against la maklabhu esiwabalayo. Amaklabhu azolala ne-Chiefs, amaklabhu azolala ne-Pirates, amaklabhu azolala ne-Sundowns. Ziyaduma. So you look at Stellenbosch, siyavuta Stellenbosch, mara abantu abasinakanga. Senze trouble. But thank you because uma basakadlali, I don't know wonder. Because according to the agreement yabo yelolu, masibadlala akadlali leshana ndakithi. So coming to Sundowns now, it's not going to be easy with bahambe nje. Sazospana because la maklabhu amanye afuna ukusuka lapha ezolala, understand? So coming to Chiefs, nayo sazobuya sazoduma. Mara what I know, what angeke avuma ukudliwa Chiefs. Angeke avuma, angeke alenze lelo phutha. Le ntwana leyana iyaplayana leyana. And le ntwana iyasazi isitori sayo as a coach. So I'm saying it's not going to be easy to both teams, all the teams, the three of them, Sundowns, Chiefs, Pirates, they have to dig deep for them to get points.
So coming to that, kiliki ya Mahotman, nekuchekile le ya dintwana tse. Kabona Pirates inedlala, konje nedlala le cheap ane, and it won. Sundowns inedlala le Chiefs, Sundowns won. Then ka check out, ligi ya Mahotman le ligi ya dintwana nkare ya tshwana. Cause le da mo liking ya dintwana Sundowns udimu o latela Pirates.
The Pirates are good, Sundowns are latela.
Oh yeah. Ka di point ko re shaka 72. Yeah.
So limo mo TTC is going to be tough. Well, lucky enough or good enough, we say Sundowns is like the Pirates, something like that.
Yeah.
So which is the other way. Pirates must make sure they don't concede, they don't let the Sundowns get a goal or win the game. So if it plays a draw, well done to Pirates. But Pirates is a must-win game for them.
Oh yeah.
And those boys, they are Lala. So my question is, more development Yarona. We've been taking Bobokazi, you can name all these boys, Bomufukeng. The boys are, some of them, Bakodi loan as we speak now. With those 10 players who are on loan, but I'm good division some class. So Kyolem Shimanolo, Samaudima Bolo, I don't know the name. The boy, Aba Mupasa, so it's what fella, yo, Stadium Siasha.
Yeah.
You check at that boy at the age, and what I like about the development where your Pirates, they've got small boys. Which of course, it's a lifetime thing. It's a future thing. Diamond told him to only 35 years, then said to Dijaro to Rafet.
Yeah.
But so most Sundowns Linto is just what we are afraid.
All right. So, Mr. Mzero, let me ask you something. Grand Motiski, Kijara if you are a grand for player or a can resign.
As long as my legs can carry me, that's a my boot.
You know why I'm asking you this?
Yes.
If you still performs and Pirates somebody you still need to be on the team. I or so naki bonormana di denyele na renga zanke ntshware grand or wa o nahanela future motho o mo. Nele player le nene.
Apara number 34 mo Pirates le.
A resign ka jara tse kaka.
Azanga resign is that fela ka life ya I philang ya mo hulela fatshe. So he was given a second chance ki Skrima Chabalala, bamkenya mo sitting with Stan, bamkenya mo development, ka lifestyle ya high, he never did made it. So it's what I said to other people, Lenore. As Brastan Asasol Aliyo, Asoko Fates, may his soul rest in peace. Aye. Alibani. So Jara ya resign a bolong. As long as my legs can still carry me. Kione the late shoes museo. May his soul rest in peace. Shoes na sapana jara, the jara sai, pelar di taka na di shoes. Na ines ka di jara, the kavik sasal, even lino kavik sapana kimat. So auna jara ya resign a bolong.
Yeah.
As long as your legs can still carry you, you keep on.
So yeah, I get it, you've been a player, then waba coach. After being coaching, wa fixer the tournament or we behind on managing or what?
Silver plan are $250 per month. Gold plan are $350 per month. Platinum plan are $450 per month. And for our seniors, a special pensioners top up at just $80 per month. Because at KV Funeral Home, we believe every farewell deserves respect, care, and dignity. The dignity.
After playing football, I was a coach. After coach, management.
Yeah.
Yes, Mosafa Soweto. I was there as a GS, Italy fixture, then Tato, Twilight Tato, the late, may he so rest in peace, Godfrey Louis, late Moloi, Kawara, Italy fixture, the thing, Dama Peter. That was that, yeah.
Yeah, so ke batla go tseba dintwana tse ne di dlala lona tse ne di coach. What happens? Anel qeta wina ne letsa ne le ba ka something yana nyugo or no sna nyugo.
Okay.
Like mo dintwana tse ne di coach ma ha no tlo dlala di tournament so. Tse nang di prize.
I dlala tournament. For instance, it work as Soweto Shining Stars. Nearly Jablat Vultures by then.
Yeah.
So there was this Philips tournament, Ritala Orlando final. I was playing against Dlamini 11 Experience, Yes Busiso.
Yeah.
So I beat them 2-1, more finally. And then we won all the 20 TVs. But the management, instead, because we had a lot of players, they sold all the TVs, got the money, and shared it to the boys.
So Bafana Baba Bekiwa, Bileva Kaiwa Nyugo.
Yeah, Baruna was Shining Stars, and they Jablan Vultures by then.
Then the back UNG, then they just spend that money. Wafel Lada.
Yeah, warner with but not second like Rusupan, we chose to never and try it. So that time they started promoting to a chele, they was money.
Yeah, okay. You know why I'm raising this?
Yeah.
It's coming to this point. Linko Bilan Sendela Steve Lekwele when he was talking about Hana Todalada or Nasa Twilis Zagane, Yanata Mari, it's a pirate fishada, Tola Fela Nuge Kane Paya. Ya fisham shatis, or not anyone of Jutamara, you won't fit to Spanish so. That's why Anna Chore no Leonachi or Nuge Epa will lose it. It's because of there was no guidance, there was no someone who finance someone or no. You go trying to rate so much teaming, they just play and give you money. And then I think like if I want to a million, your brain will get crazy.
I didn't know that, but I know that player ibali manager. Kala ifia yona, kachelete yona, can't try out. So what I like about this guy to Wangayana. I'm talking about Clean Pinkin now. Manager some of the players.
Yeah.
So I came to know a certain Portuguese guy by the name of Jonathan Sigar. Never control the funds of Fanavan. So how to get some of the boys Barun? That's what I knew. Ubanantor is owning this world. The facility like Alufel. So there is like Nagili Wamudimu Razangam Penyo, Willan Kausalife. Because I need you can make Sadula do anything.
Yeah. But now I think Velor Bafana but need someone who
that's what I said. You just got to understand. Now you are nothing. Even if you is nothing, you are nothing. Yanaki and again. Irishale Telefel. Utakupalu Polish and I say, Tom Kaitan run.
I think I give a defend. I think the problem is how to rachele the oring azange with horrible pilumba how then a wotla mutu oring hana yona chelete like you don't treat them too. But if nebam preparile before ki twara the cheletore mfana nyugo ispana so utlo twara nyugo eso because this thing is not only happening on soccer players, it's happening on actors, it's happening on musicians, like hantlante on art, all in all bongata.
Kirata Mr. Maluleke Koshawela 5. Tata Chabulani Maluleke, former player Super Sport United.
Yeah.
Dona Lilega Sano, no never shori in a linyo. And that's how you took Chabla, no never much even. He was 24/7 humbled that boy. You understand?
Yeah.
And the bang ego and Magafia and football special treatment. No. The Guchablane and Jarma Fochi. Nanam that boy Umnandi like Finiak because it Hamaraki Belsala Lila. Lezan Dem Kaira. So Tinamastars Banenu. ukuthi Fruitman yami yazi naye ngebhola awufuna ukwazi ukuthi Thema lami awufuna ukwazi. That is why we see most of these boys mabephuma la ku pro side bayenza into ezi-wrong zodwa i-frustration yabashaya and aqala kuplanela ukuthi bengifuze ngenze lo mama minor uyabona nginje angesipani chief 41 years angesipani mara bekithi mangisejozi umama asaphila nobaba bengibadobhela amavejinyana ngibayisele ezandleni weekend nje wani ngibhayika ukuyo abagaya abahlabe bahle you understand people didn't understand why I was doing that bengiziphi inhlanhla ngizifunela inhlanhla abazalini understand nalaba lele khona bayazi but hayi ukuthi manje at the end of the day umzali make yogidla sekhona manje ucabanga ukuthi i-timer ithi iBhayibheli ngale kwethuna xololo lezona lisekho
Yeah, because I forgot the name of this guy. I can't remember Lena. Or Odala Axopol or Odala Rugby or Odala Cricket.
Jimang.
No, there's this other guy Odala Rugby or Cricket manager. Na manager at Tamala High. Then what happened? All of a sudden now, since Tamala Muto manager, you just find out to Raharo Uto Spender Arubato Palada. No new with million digital time gone. So the thing is, you are to it as one much also thing. We say without saving everything, take care of the money. How about to save Sabaka? And you find out the same guy also think.
Kirina Kibuza Andy Letabete. There's this show you can forcing Yamfano. Yeah. Andy, the way have you been? Have you been there during our days in Ronabum Zoreo? Nankabeki Sinat, what I have right now, see to because his scripts they are Kairan, they are Ahan, understand? So in Tutanga building. You understand? So I don't every time release Chief Kibuelu and anything addition. Look, my son. You understand the toughest? Young Funa, but just to see him start. But my son, I can't get some, understand? Janji is Katamachita. And we don't like that. Man must not Sukurumang Sapili Yamaneka Sasangen. Come the day Gula Tabata, one of us. I want to stress. I get out you almost having Como, we'll play already. So abafana abaningi bebenenyoku bebecanga ubawona leli izwe leli abasena next uke wayisho uJomo lele ngoba wenzana ngamafoni ayi2 i1 iplayer right amafoni 1 why ungabi ne manager yakho igade in each and everything oyenzayo you understand kunamajita yonke into obhilivela emzalini kube nomzali obhilivela emntwaneni. It's tit for tat. Yeah. It's tit for tat. So I'm a player by they were given a chance and they had money. And today they are regretting. And they've got negative wish. Banama wishes are like I said Zagala. Yeah. And here some we are footlow. Barring among a share of Tolonga we. And they part of my million, they say money and own and is no ways. So I'm a fan of any Balasegeli. Uno Tasale, Asale Rabazalo, and I will put back or about that double Babonisani, who's about Prega. Ngentenzani ephelayo bear in mind le mali yaphuma uyathenga akasaholi makethi help it's late uyaqala manje plan ngabe nginemali so bengizoyenza ini angeke sayenzeka leli uphelile chayile
for investment usibachelete because into sejwalo akaqhunga bangu that's all ake ngwanani ukile ngabe wakapile khale batho batho ba eng wena batho ba teacher batho ba ponese ba doctor kitsemele fela ntse ke tse phela yabo so ke se blame ka bo investment
how fit a Pirates Ivan Kozak yona offer chelete kana ikana as a chairman ya team ba try mhlomo ngo le bontsha hore mfana o lo khola 1000 rand mona money mona se re tlo fa bokana chelete we shebe manena lo phazamisa kapa o le mo ke mosebetsi fela hore chipa o tlo bapala bola
yona a go pole ba bua ke yona phoso e ba etsa ngaholo so ba re tla ba re advise go chelete be jwang so ba fa yona le ngata e utawe ba se first time o tshwetse ka
o startile ka boka Pirates
like
your salary
like I said you mutho o shabia chelete ngata I didn't even know my first salary of Pirates I didn't I'm telling you
ola o shapa ka chelete fela la ga khodi fela je
a go rile fela 10,000
he ba fit
that's why grata nchede so each time I lenze grata nchede
yes chief no less konje mapalani a tlo dlala leng Stellenbosch then after bona e be tlo bang Chiefs le Sandawana yeah so I khalo ujika aya kwala kwa chief nkaidi prediction then right kwala just need uri wena hona na game ya Pirates le Stellenbosch over jwang ya Chiefs le Sunderland yo va jwang
Game ya Pirates le Stellenbosch ba tlile tshwana le ya Chiefs le Pirates ya tshwana le ya Sundowns le Pirates it's unpredictable because makula ale ya riphazamisa na konke ba understand nah
hey sorry guys hey chief go raw this Indians hey are makule
yeah I mean those guys to be honest with you Kutafi I respect them and they look at Gavin uGavin ufika wathatha la ubhakashiye khona instead wayihambisa ubona ukuthi uGavin wathi ball ukhulume ngeSundowns the way ngakhona mara webaba you understand hayi lo muntu wePulukwane City ukhulumile bamshaya 2 following games kushuthi in other words ayikho indaba yakhe lebe ishuthi sana ushuthi ugayisana 3 points ungachubeke ngani ngoba engafuni Pirates so coming to the game ye Chiefs ne Sundowns again angazi ngithini mara if iChiefs ingabuya ngalo mfuthu wePirates ikhahlela abantu izowina phela mabedlane Pirates bekadlala ibhola nawo lo mzulu lo wenu lo Jean ebekhahlela lentwana right to left and mababa ibhola ekhahlela yabona those are the things which you don't if they can apply that system yaka Jongosoni ukukhahlela abanye bababe the main players uto lo nalo masingabamba lo nalo waphume then suyidlala le bhola my Sundowns is unstoppable why because bana yonke into abayifuna eground bamnandi bona angibafevi asabantu bama ngihlala ePitori ngisesowethu ngipakaniya mara bamnandi
yabo tichizi ijwayele kubaphazamisa
iyabaphazamisanga yizo mthini Kutafi yabona bayenzeni babambe iPirates baphelela bakhipha yonke namamaseli baphela bafika bajoyela intwana zaseBloemfontein you understand and ubheka amagoli lezantwana adakiwe wonke lokho lwe Chiefs lephelela ngePirates awabuyisa wonke awabuyisa abuyile manje wangabuyisanga
ngahlekiswa uGiraffe akhuluma la hey nami ngiyazibuza ngalabantu ba celebrate ngathi bawinile ni draw ngithi marimfethu
banenkinga wena chief labantu if I'll tell you the truth ama player wanenkinga iproblem ila ebenchini you understand ibench la wile trouble baqeda ukudlala nePirates draw good game bathatha lentwana emnandi ngani I mean uyibhakelani imali izozala ebank abantu lo muntu lona manje akusena isikhathi sokunesplayer manje lahlela sobona phambili
ubonile lentwana le badlile no Dilas ene intwana le bedlalela iChiefs
basha
konjobani lentwana le konjobani le korile lo
ngithi bonke badlala abafana babo iPirates ipule uyokorila against bona ngisiwelele you understand because these players when they leave the team they want to prove a point you made a mistake by releasing me you should have kept me so that's why I'm happy for the near ubaba sangeka dlala uzoba standing
asivale kanje ke chief you still remember I told you ukuthi abantu bathi iChiefs mayiwina ukhuluma ngamla iChiefs mayidraw or lose ukhuluma udaki uyibonile ke lento yenzekele no makhuluma udaki ngedraw ene ingamla beyikhuluma ngalesikhathi ku conference ngezwe khona enye clip ngizoyidlala kule episode kukhala nama journalist bathi ayinango bakhuluma ngathi plus akazi nevenek ayinango lo yadina mina ngeke ngimbuze nokubuza ama question
abeyishilo benyimamele nami conference abantu bathi man lo mplona akazi abanye abantu understand so like I'm saying when I put Tafi once more thina sadlala ibhola besifuna history yakho ningakhohlwa labantu bazela bazotolokela le time you understand live le time lo wasala quba la le time alisiye khona asizwe yilo so football is all about luck to Tafi mawune nhlanhla things will go your way mawune party nanoma kuvulekile kuzovalela you understand that is also ngithi ama game akusasa we2 awamnandaba ingawina iChiefs ingawina iStellenbosch you understand it's tit for tat kunzima manje bamile bamanzi ground manje aphuma wonke lamakulu egcwala ground kusasa lokho umsito seriously ophuma wonke ePitori labantu you understand ukuthi ihamba kanjani so yena into ngisho ukuthi iChiefs mayengabuya ngale spirit sePirates izwe Sundowns but if ingabuya nje izoshaya round akhoza
hayi sivala kanjalo ke sibatshela ukuthi ba subscribe mangaba subscribe ikwerekwero yakwereza nje hayi ukuthi sithi umuntu angaphandle sithi uyakwereza subscribe like and share the video thank you
So what was the main cause? What caused the scuffle that you spoke about?
Before the game?
Before the game, yes.
You didn't see?
I just want us not to speculate because we were far with the Tribune, so I don't want to speculate.
Even me, I was far, but just I saw fight.
So yeah, I'm asking
My brother,
what caused this cause.
I saw you people from outside. They are calling me to ask me about I'm okay or not. Outside, they from another country, they call me to ask about I'm okay or not, I'm safe or not. And you are here in the pitch, you didn't see.
Solution. You are the coaches.
Yeah, and that's our job. Did you think that football coach is easy job? If it was easy, anyone can make the job, and any team can score, and any team can win. That's the difficulty in football, guys. How you build team that he can defend, they can concede goal, and then you make player to score and to create opportunity to score. For us as the coach, the most important thing that the performance of the team. When you perform and you create opportunity, and there is model game clear, that's our job. But after it's a lot of thinking side. If it is like you said, like that is our job, so it's more easy like that. Anyone can make the job.
But you will provide the solution.
The solution is to continue to work in the training session. How you can? If you have another solution, advise us. There is another solution. What we can do? How we can? If you create opportunity and you miss a chance, what we can do?
Hayi asibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi Afrostyle diski adlale diski that's why siringa ngediski yes yeah yibonke ngijane laba